Hi, Mom. Say hi to camera.
Hey, camera. Here, put these on YouTube. You lost your phone. $50 to cut down the case.
Well, if there's any metal in there. Right, here we go. Bottle cap. Bottle cap. Seashell. Why is there a seashell? The water taking it. I'm not moving it, the water is. Taking my rope. Wow, this current's strong. I can feel that water vibrating the rope. That current is strong. Wow. Whole bunch of metal debris sticking to my magnet. Look at that. Ain't that sexy? I think I'm going to evacuate from this spot because I am kind of surrounded by what seems to be, to me, poison ivy. Oh. No camping, fishing only. Well, I like the sound of that. Oh. Nice throw. Thank you. Oh, it's on a log. Ain't that sexy? Look at that. Got something. A magnet's not big enough to bring it. Come on, baby. I'm dragging something big. I don't know. No, it's moving. I'm just trying not to lose it. What is that? Oh my. Oh, finally. Finally. Ah. Well, I would say that's a pipe of some sort.